I love you, Mama!
Lagot ako kay coach na ito eh.
Promise, saglit lang to. Mahal kita, Marco. At ayaw ko mabulok to kagaya ng sulat mo Rizal. Kaya bibigay ko sa'yo.
Ano to?
Tayo yan.
Impressive. Pero para saan?
Si ano eh. May sasabihin sana ko sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Mahal kita, Marco.
Thank you.
O, diba? Imbis na ibenta ng lolo mo yun, gawin niyo na lang restaurant.
This will be our future, babe. Makikita ko na tayong dalawa. Ang galing talaga ng misis ko. O bakit? Ayaw ba maging Mrs. Villanueva?
Pinagsunto ni Mama at ni Papa. Pinapatutog niya to pag A, masaya siya, or pag B, malungkot siya. Ay, wag na. May routine na kami ni Papa. Opa, tayo ah. 1, 2, 3.
Nagmagkas ako ng nanay mo.
Ay, si Papa naman. Di ba move on na tayo?
Lalo mo akong pinahanga. Nung pinayagan mo akong makita ang mundo mo. You are far the bravest girl I have ever met. And that moment, I knew it completely. Mahal na kita.
What is this I'm feeling? I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm just not the same. I try to hide it, try not to show it. It's crazy. How could it be? I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels.
Jeannie, from the moment I met you, I knew my life would never be the same. Sa bawat araw na pagsasama natin, para isang biyaya. Gusto ko sana maging parte ng kaligayahan mo, tulad ng kaligayahan mong binigay mo sa akin.
Sorry, pero kasi...
Jeannie!
Jeannie!
Hello, Ma. Ito na nga po. Paalis na po kami papunta ng airport.
Ano ba yan? Kanina ka pa. Baka malit ka na sa flight mo. Ang lakas-lakas na ng ulan. Umalis na kayo.
Opo, Ma'am. Paalis na po.
Teka lang, Jeannie!
Marco na naman. Jeannie, umalis ka na. Don't let him stop you, anak. You've made your choice. Anak, you need to leave. You've already made your decision. Don't look back.
More than 3 years, and I thought we were good. More than 3 years, going on forever. Or so I thought. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, paano, o kung kailan nagsimula. Pero anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? Bakit tayo naghiwalay? Bakit mo ko iniwan? I'll wait for you, Jeannie. I'll wait knowing that one day, I'll be back in your life. And I will do everything it takes to win you back. I will never lose hope that we will eventually have our second chance. That's why I'm writing you this letter. 4 years from this day, you'll be 30 years old by then. I'll wait knowing that one day, I'll be back in your life. And I will do everything it takes to win you back. I will never lose hope that we will eventually have our second chance.
Hi, Jenny!
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all enjoying your meals this afternoon. Ngayong hapon, we've come to celebrate the incredible journey of one of the founders of this restaurant.
Oy, sila Jeannie, oh!
Hello.
Ali! Hello!
It's been 4 years since Marco founded this place, and in that time, he's turned this place into one of the most popular spots in the city. Marco, thank you for everything. We're all proud to be a part of this journey.
Thank you, everyone. I just love what I'm doing here, and I appreciate everyone who's been part of this journey. And a huge shout out to Ali and Barry. Thank you, guys.
Jeannie, yung pinag-usapan nga pala natin, may plano kasi kami magpatayo ng bagong restaurant eh. Ngayon, sa dami ng architects na nakausap namin, walang makasundo si Marco eh. Masyado kasing sumusobrang pagkapihigan na ito.
We saw it the mall one time. Pinanggit ko nga kay Marco eh. Biniro ko na ikaw na lang. Eh, pumayag.
Buti pumayag ka.
Why not? Well, you made the right decision. As you can see, one-stop shop kami. May architect na, may contractor pa.
So you're finally making the dreams come true.
Well, kaya namin kayo pinatawag dito dahil gusto namin malaman kung kaya nyo tapusin. I want the restaurant operational in 6 months.
6 months? Masyado mabilis. Yan.
Meron kasing kaming timetable na sinusunod. I'm proposing in 6 months, gusto ko sa restaurant na yun mangyari.
Proposing?
May isa pang part owner, si Patricia De Gia. Yung girlfriend ni Marco. Pati sa pastry chef. Nasa US lang siya para i-finalize yung mga contract niya eh.
Speaking of, excuse me, let's finish this later.
So tinanggap ba ni Jenny?
Yep, she did.
Ay, ganun. I was hoping pa naman na hindi niya tatanggapin.
But, love, just tell me if di ka komportable. Papawin ko na yung project.
Why? Do I have anything to worry about?
Wala. Hoy, nagsiselo siya.
Konti. Well, she is your ex. That's it, diba? She's just your ex.
Of course. Love, sana nandito ka. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Babe, hindi ko na talaga alam. Kasi nakita ko ulit si Marco. Tapos parang, I don't know, parang may chance pa kami. Parang pwede ko pa siya mapatawad. Pero si Marco, wala. Chill lang. Wala nang feelings. Pero ako, bakit parang naiwan pa? Bakit? Dilulo lang ba ako? Hala, tapos na ba kayo? Parang ikaw pa yung may hope. Si Marco ba, may feelings pa? Wala ba akong karapatang mag-hoping pa, babe? Jeannie, he's not into you. Baka naman ikaw lang may inaiwan pang feelings. Siya, okay na, wala na. Pero ikaw, parang hindi mo pa natanggap.
Hello, Jeannie.
Hi, Marco. Nandito ako sa bahay mo ngayon. Sayang hindi kita naabutan eh. Bibigay ko sana sa'yo yung blueprint. Gusto ko sana personally abot sa'yo yung revised plan. Hirap po kasi tayo nun eh.
Jeannie, maaga ako umalis ngayon eh. Nasa Ortigas ako ngayon.
Ay, hindi. Pwede ka naman nagdaan dyan eh. Seryoso. Walang kahasel-hasel. Para na rin sa'yo kung mismo nakuha yung feedback. Sige, see you.
Jeannie.
Pwede mo lang na kasi iwan kay Manang yan, di ba?
Sandali lang po, promise.
Jeannie!
Hello, Marco? Dito na ako.
Nako, Jeannie. May meeting kami sa San Pedro. Iwan mo na sa resto.
Ay, no. Malapit na naman ako dyan. Daan ko na lang. See ya. Hello, Marco?
Jeannie, I'm sorry ulit. I'm on my way to Alabang. May kailangan kami ayusin doon.
Wala ba? Sige, 15 minutes pa. Dito na ako sa may Alabang.
May meeting pa ako sa Tagaytay eh. Iwan mo na ako kay Manang.
Ha? Sino kami tapos sa Tagaytay?
Teka,